Great.
What?
If you have a fishing rod, do you think you can fish for a fish?
No, too short. Too short and there's no hook. Gotta have a hook. Ain't got a hook, can't catch no fish.
Sophia!
Why was she crying?
Because she wanted thread.
Wanted what?
This.
Oh, you wanted the thread, huh? How cold's the water?